US computer support. These are topics students struggle with, so please focus. Time of check to time of use, TOC, TOU, TOC, TOU is a race condition vulnerability that occurs when a system checks a resource, TOC, and then uses it, TOU, but an attacker manipulates the resource between these two actions. This can lead to privilege escalation, unauthorized access, or data corruption. Example of TOC/TOU attack. A program checks if a user has permission to access a file. Before the file is used, an attacker replaces it with a symbolic link to a sensitive file, e.g., etc. passwd. The program, assuming it's still the original file, processes the attacker-controlled file, leading to unauthorized access or modifications. Mitigation strategies. Use file descriptors instead of file names to prevent changes after verification. Employ atomic operations to avoid time gaps. Implement proper locking mechanisms to prevent concurrent modifications. Structured query language injection, SQLI. SQL injection is a web security vulnerability where an attacker manipulates SQL queries by injecting malicious input into application fields, leading to unauthorized access, data leaks, or database manipulation. How SQLE works: user input manipulation. Attackers enter malicious SQL code into input fields like login forms or search bars. Query execution. If the input is not properly sanitized, the application executes the injected SQL. Potential consequences: bypassing authentication, admin in a login field may trick the system into granting access. Data extraction. Union select username, password from users, can expose sensitive information. Data modification or deletion. Drop table users can erase entire databases. Mitigation strategies. Use prepared statements, parameterized queries, employ input validation, and allow list filtering. Restrict database privileges to limit damage from compromised queries.